Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to another Learning with Jess video. Today we'll be talking about circles in geometry. Now, before you watch this video, I suggest you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to me so you don't miss out on any future content. All right, let's begin. So the first question we're going to ask is, what is a circle? As you can see here, we have a circle. This is a very nice circle, and it's a round shape made by connecting many points together. So let's talk about the equation of a circle. So here we have one equation of a circle, and this equation is when the center is on the origin. You see, we have x and y. X and y are any points used for checking if the equation makes sense. Then we have our circle is centered at the origin. See, 0, 0. And r stands for radius. Basically, that means the distance between any point on the circle to the center. Here's a different equation when the center is not 0, 0. And we have h and k, which is your center point, basically your main point of a circle. So let's say we have an example circle. You have a circle with your center being the origin, 0, 0, and your radius being 6. You have to find the 4 corner points when x and y is 0, 1 point inside the circle when x and y is not 0, and another point outside the circle. Here's the equation of this circle. X minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 6 squared. Or x squared plus y squared equals 6. Remember this because we'll use it for later. So how do you find the 4 corner points? And by corner points, we mean extreme points. So it's very simple. All you have to do is start from the center and move up, down, left or right, left or right. You use your radius to help you find each corner point. So the 4 corner points. To find the top corner point, start from 0, 0 and move 6 spaces up on the y-axis. So your top point would be 0, 6. Bottom. Do the same thing for the top. Start at 0, 0 and go down 6 spaces. The bottom point would be 0, negative 6. The left. Start from 0, 0 and go 6 spaces to the left. The left point is negative 6, 0. Right. Go 6 spaces from the center to the right. The right point is 6, 0. Let's find some other points. Example number 1. Let's say you have a point that is 1, 2. That's where the circle is centered at. Use your equation to find out if this point is on, outside, or inside the circle. Hold up. Never mind. This is not the center. This is not the center. This is just a point. Use your equation to find out if this point is on, outside, or inside the circle. Plug in your point to your equation. 1 minus 0 squared plus 2 minus 0 squared and compare it to 6 squared. Now let's simplify it. 1 squared plus 2 squared versus 36. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4 versus 36. And then we have 1 plus 4, which is 5. So 5 versus 36. 5 is less than 36, so that means this point is inside the circle. Example number 2. We have another point, 5, negative 7. So let's see. 5 minus 0 squared minus 7 minus 0. Plus negative 7 minus 0 squared and compare it to just compare it to your number, which we said was 6, which we said 36. 6 squared and compare it to 6 squared. Simplify this equation. So 5 squared plus negative 7 squared. 5 squared is 25 plus 7 squared is 49. Minus 7 squared is 49. And that's 74. Both adding this is 74. So 74 is bigger than 36, so this point is outside of the circle. The truth is, you can actually tell it would be outside the circle because the y-coordinate is negative 7. which passes our bottom corner point, which was 0, -6. So it would be outside the circle anyway. All right, guys, thank you for listening. Like I said, if you want to see any more future content, go subscribe to me and also hit that like button if you like this video. Okay, bye.